We heard the wails of wounded streams, observed the air cough toxic dreams, watched harvest die in ash and dust. Our reckless hands betrayed their trust. The heavens weep acidic tears, oceans gargle with plastic fears, mountains crumble where children played, our debt to nature left unpaid. When cry the storms through flooded towns, when scream the fires consuming crowns, when will you see your vital role? This wounded world that cradles your soul. Tomorrow's dawn may find bare trees, silent forest devoid of peace, barren waves where wells once slept, while ignorant eyes still claim they've slept. Oh, custodians of life's great chain, the hour strikes to ease this pain. Let concrete cracks bloom living vines, transform waste into nature's shrines. Awaken now, not just in name. Redeem your title, Homo sapiens. For every plastic fork decline, a seedling's hope gets redefined. The cure exists within our hands, to understand, rebuild, and mend, lest final sunset claims the view of all we failed